Hello guys, this is Sagar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cycle and Parts Room. Last video we saw different type of Tony derailleurs and their mounts, and in this video we'll be talking about the various types of 8-speed derailleurs which are widely used across the globe, and these derailleurs belongs to different group set. So I have placed all the three different types of 8-speed derailleurs right in front of your eyes. As you can see, starting from the left we have Shimano Acera RDM 360 SGS longer cage length in silver color variant. At center we have Shimano Tony TX 800 in black color variant, and at the very end towards the right we have Shimano Altus RDM 310 in black color variant. While each one of them comes in two color variants, black and silver, so I have chosen silver for Acera and black for TX 800 and Altus. So we'll be comparing each one of them and I'll talk about their specifications one by one. So to start with, Acera and Altus comes in blue color after sales packaging, as you can see, while Shimano Tony TX 800 comes in brown color cardboard packaging. All these derailleurs will assemble to both 7 and 8 speed freewheel and cassette. Shimano Tony TX will cost you 1040 INR, whereas Shimano Acera RDM 360 will cost you 1600 INR, and Shimano Altus RDM 310 will cost you 1410 INR. This is effective today, so after 1 year you cannot claim the same prices. It may vary, it may go up, it may come down, depends. So I will not say this price will exist throughout lifetime, but anyhow, for the time being we'll consider their prices in India to be what I mentioned. So here we have Shimano Tony TX 800 derailleur, and this is the most budget friendly derailleur for 8-speed freewheel and cassette assembly, which is priced at 1040 INR in India, and this is a widely used derailleur. Companies prefer using them in 24-speed combinations instead of the 21-speed combinations, because in Tony group set alone you may find RDTY 300 and RDTY 500, which are the widely used types for 21-speed derailleur assembly. So for Tony TX 800, whichever company will be using it, they definitely will be using it for 24-speed combination. And as I have told you, it is a very budget specific derailleur, so it won't hurt you even if it breaks after, even if it fails after 6 or 7 months of use. As you can see, in Shimano Tony TX 800 there are two pulley wheels which are of same diameter, and each one of them will contain 13 number of teeth. So these edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, these edges are called teeth for a gear. And the cage length is this is a larger cage length. As you can see, from this point to this point the length is very big. So if we have a larger cage length, we can assemble this derailleur to a cassette which is having the smaller cog of 11 teeth and the bigger cog of 34 teeth or 36 teeth. So you will not encounter any problems while assembling it to a bigger cog length of across 34 T or 36 T. So what differs Tony TX 800 and Shimano Acera or Shimano Altus? So while you are purchasing Shimano Tony TX 800, one major thing which you need to consider before purchasing them is that the weight for these derailleurs are comparatively higher than that of Acera or Altus. So if weight is not a major constraint for your derailleur attachment, then proceed with Shimano Tony TX since it is very budget specific. The shifting for Shimano Tony TX is very good. I have used these derailleurs in my bicycles also. So to be very honest with you, Shimano Tony TX is a derailleur if you want to change your Shimano Acera derailleur and you don't want to upgrade them, Instead, if you want to save some bucks, then you can invest in Shimano Tony TX800 instead of Shimano Acera RDM360. So if in case your bicycle is previously assembled with Shimano Acera, in most of the hybrid bicycles you may find Shimano Acera is getting assembled. But for the time being, you just need to understand that if your Shimano Acera derailleur has failed down due to some or the other reason, then after that, if you don't want to feel hurt purchasing or investing in Acera again, then you can choose to go for Shimano Tony TX. I hope you are clear with Shimano Tony TX. So now we will talk about Shimano Acera. And here we have Shimano Acera RDM360 rear derailleur. And I have told you earlier also that this derailleur is similar to Shimano Tony TX800. The reason I have quoted those words is because the pulley wheel diameter for both Shimano Tony TX800 and Shimano Acera is same, and these two pulley wheels also contain 13T, which is 30 number of teeth in each one of them. So the only difference between Shimano Tony TX800 and Shimano Acera is weight. The weight of Shimano Tony TX800 is more than that of Shimano Acera. So there is nothing more to talk about Shimano Acera. And now we have Shimano Altus RDM310. This is a very highly used rear derailleur, both for 21 speed combinations and 24 speed combinations. Most of the companies will be using this specific derailleur in their bicycle prototype in order to make it worth. And why I said this is because this specific derailleur has a major difference which none of the earlier derailleurs had. That difference is the difference in pulley wheel diameter. So as you can see, the left side pulley wheel has a bigger diameter, whereas this right side pulley wheel has a smaller diameter. So the smaller pulley wheel has 30 number of teeth, similar to that of Tony TX800 and Acera, whereas the larger pulley wheel has 50 number of teeth. So what happens when chain wraps around these two pulley wheels? So while the chain wraps around both the pulley wheels, you may find that the derailleur now has more grasp over the chain, which means there is improved control, and which also means while shifting there will be a rapid shifting compared to that of Acera or Tony TX800. Thereby we can claim that Shimano Altus is one of the best derailleur while we are considering both smoothness while shifting and rapidness while shifting. So if you go by my recommendation, purchase Shimano Altus. Whereas if you are budget specific, go for Shimano Tony TX800. And if you want less weight in your bicycle, proceed with Shimano Acera. These three derailleurs are available on the website. The website link I'll drop in the description. I hope you're clear with Shimano Altus, Acera and Tony TX. So we'll meet in the next video and we'll talk about several other components. Till then, stay safe and have a great day.